Good morning, Puss Puss. How are you today, hey? Just want to let everyone know how you are. You doing good? Yeah. All sleepy? You got a lot of attention, eh? Kevy! Hello, Kevin. You like Puss Puss, don't you? But you don't want to get close enough to sniff Puss Puss. Where's Puss Puss? Where's Puss Puss? Right there, eh? Queen Carmen the Cat. Queen Carmen the Sleeper. Queen Carmen the Sleeping Cat. And King Kevin the Watchful Dog. Kevy! Hello, Kevin. Wag your tail. Hello, Puss Puss. Hey? Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, give you a little scratch, hey? Like some crunchies? Oh, put some crunchies down for you. Hello, Puss Puss. Oh, angry cat. Watchful dog. Okay, we'll leave you be, okay? We'll see you later, alright? Good girl. Okay, bye-bye, cat.